Good morning everyone. So we're going to do today BMW F30. We're going to be changing out the wing mirror indicator lamps to these. These are the scrolling ones. So it's a simple do it yourself. We're just going to be removing the mirror caps. I'm going to be unscrewing this. The kit comes with tools already. This is to remove the mirror. This tools is to remove holding in this point. So we need to remove this to get to that. So we'll start by removing the mirror cap, which entails taking out the mirror. So we're going to be moving the mirror from here with the pry tool, and it's held in by some clips. Alright, so cutting it off. So these are the clips that are held with that. So what we need to do now, we need to remove this here, this clips here. First we remove the cap here, which there is that we need to compress, and remove the cap to expose the other screw that we'll need to move. Okay, so now that we have removed the cap, so the other screw that we'll need to remove is this. So we'll use the tool that came, the Torx tool that came with the kit, to remove these screws, this one and those two. Okay, so after removing 3 screws, now we can go ahead and we're going to pull this to expose this, the mirror, the indicator. Now to remove the indicator, now just slide it forward and outwards. That will remove it. And we're just going to remove this connector here, and we're going to be plugging it into the new one here. And we're just going to do, installation is basically just a reverse of removal. Alright, so I've finished installing it and replaced here. And now to replace third screw right here. I remember where the screws came from, but this screw is machined for metal and the other two are for plastic. So please remember to put the screws back in the correct places. Now, before we do the final assembly, we need to just test it to just ensure that it's working properly. Right, and it is working properly. So, yes, that concludes it. So, just to finish the assembly now, put on back the mirror cap and replace the glass. So this is before and this is after. See how much cooler it makes the car look. Okay, so this is the final assembly. They work properly. And just to do final check to ensure that yes, they do work properly. So that's it for installation of the signals, a BMW F30.